Welcome to the Big Six lesson conclusion portion of this lesson. My name is Mary Catherine Arias. I am your school librarian, and the purpose of this lesson is to learn how to effectively conduct research through a 6-step process called the Big Six. This lesson is accompanied by a student handout that overviews each step of the process with you. This is a working document, and I have left space to answer guiding questions to keep you on track. If you flip to the back, there are 5 helpful additional resources that you can refer to as you move through the process. The first step is task definition. In this step, you want to define the problem being asked and also identify the information needed. During this step, ask yourself, what am I supposed to do exactly, and what information do I need? The second step in the Big Six process is the information seeking strategy step. In this step, you need to determine all possible sources and then select the best. When you're in this step, ask yourself, what resources can I use? Are they in print or electronic? And which one would be the best choice? The third step is the location and access step. In this step, you need to locate your resources, whether physically or online, and find the information within the resource. In this step, it is a great idea to use your teacher and your librarian to help you find the resources and information that you need if you get stuck. In this step, you can ask yourself, does this resource help me answer the original question? And do I have to read the whole thing to know if it's a good fit? The fourth step is the use of information step. In this step, you need to extract the pertinent information through your resource. In this step, ask yourself, what information helps me answer this question? And how can I best use each resource? Do I need to use all of it or just parts? The fifth step is the synthesis step. During this step, you need to decide how you're going to organize the information. What information should come first, and what information should you save for last? Also in this step, you need to choose the best way to present this information. Should it be as a paper? Should it be as a presentation or as a brochure? It's your choice, and you need to be creative. When you ask yourself, really think about what's the best way to present this. The sixth and final step of this process is the evaluation step. There are 2 parts to this. The first is you need to judge the effectiveness of the product. Did the message come across clearly to the people that you were wanting to get the message to? Also, you need to evaluate the efficiency of the research process as a whole. What could you do well, and what could you do differently? And how did you know that you did a good job? Remember, as you begin your research process, remember that this is a process. It's okay if you don't get it all right on the first try. The important thing to remember is not to give up. Also, use your teacher and your librarian. They're great resources to help you. When starting this process, start from the beginning. Step 1, task definition. Step 2, information seeking. Step 3, locate and access. Step 4, use of information. Step 5, synthesize. And step 6, evaluate. Use the Big Six model as a map. Refer back to the handout and use the guiding questions to keep you on track. Please also remember that there are helpful videos and other resources listed on the back of your handout. Good luck, and let me know if you need help.